Oh, hi. So today I'm coming at you with a super quick project. I do have a last minute Halloween costume thing that'll happen this coming Wednesday. The costume bit I'm about to show you is part of a bigger vision that I have, but I'm actually going to wear it on Halloween. We're going to have to wait till next Saturday to see the whole thing come together, but I wanted to show you my very favorite element, which is baby girl Luna's Spectraspecs. Super dumb, super quick way to throw something together. Some of you may be going to like a last minute invitation Halloween extravaganza tonight or tomorrow and want something to throw together. So here's the bit I recorded earlier of me making those for my actual Halloween costume that I'll be wearing when I go visit the two people I'm hanging out with that night to watch a scary movie. I have my interfacing ironed on here. You can piece together scraps if you want to. Definitely don't put your iron on synthetic heat and then press it for a really long time on the felt, or else that's gonna melt and this is gonna happen. This is due for a cleaning slash I just need a better iron, but I also do shit like this sometimes, so maybe having a cheap one is for the best. We're gonna do pencil. So I'm gonna point the pencil lead so it's right against the edge of my frames. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to fold it in half, make sure those are lining up. I'm just gonna pin in a few spots and then cut this out while on the fold. For the little eye hole, just fold everything in half again, I guess. Probably should have kept this pinned so this didn't happen. Everything's fine. Okay, and now I'm gonna cut these holes. Basically trying to make the eye hole as big as possible without hitting the edge of the frames. Okay, I don't like how the bridge of the nose is looking, so I'm gonna take that up a bit. Yeah! Oh, I like that so much better. Okay, I'm just gonna take washi tape because that doesn't have a very permanent adhesive. And I also have some narrow rolls. Gonna attach it to the bridge here, and then these little nubs here by doing that thing where you make like a little tape circle. I could use double stick tape, but it's like very heavy duty double stick tape that I own and I don't want to mess up my frames. Honestly, even this is making me nervous, even though I'm specifically doing it this way, so it's gonna be fine. One time I had a pair of metal framed glasses and one of the arms broke off and I had to wear painter's tape wrapped around it for weeks. And then I think the other arm broke before I got my new pair, so I at least had it evened out. It truly was a Harry Potter situation going on there, and I didn't have a Hermione at the time to fix it for me. You guys, this is good. This is very good. I hope that was helpful as far as fitting something like this onto actual prescription lenses, because that's like such a big issue for me, and I'm sure that's the case for a lot of people. I feel like specifically stereotypical nerds tend to have glasses and, you know, don't necessarily like going without them just for the sake of the costume. This is kind of working within those parameters, and I'm really pumped to have these now. If any of you are in the New Hampshire area, or even Maine actually will probably be closer than some parts of New Hampshire, I'm working an event called Nerdfest today and tomorrow, so the 26th and 27th of October 2019 in Barrington. Link to all the shit in the description, and I hope you guys are having an awesome weekend, and please, if you're dressing up for Halloween, send me pictures on Twitter and Instagram. Okay, I'm gonna go, and I'll see you for our annual last minute costume shenanigans this coming Wednesday. So thank you so much for hanging out. My eyes are just like new lenses, who dis?